Hi, I'm Sarathi, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to find the version of the DataDirect drivers that are shipped with PowerCenter. Or sometimes there may be issues with the DataDirect driver, let's say data getting truncated in a particular column and things like that. Then Informatica support may ask you for the exact version of DataDirect driver that you are using. So in order to find that out, we have to run a particular utility on the driver that gives me the exact minor version, the build version, and the update version of the DataDirect driver. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. Now let's say I would log into the machine where my PowerCenter is installed. Let's say my PowerCenter is installed in this folder. So I'll go here. So the process is same for any version of PowerCenter, any 9.x version of PowerCenter. So first I'll set all the environment variables that I usually set to run my PowerCenter sessions, the same set of environment variables, but especially I'm looking for the ODBC related environment variables to be set. So I have sourced it. Now let's say I go to my installation folder. In that I'll go to my ODBC folder. I'll go to my lib folder. So if you see here, let me clear. If you see here, this is the folder in which the DataDirect drivers exist. For example, DW-Terra26 is a Teradata driver, DW-SQLS is a SQL Server driver, DW-MySQL26 is a MySQL driver. So all these files are the driver files. Now the format of the files may change with the operating system, but the process of finding out the version remains the same on any Linux or Unix based platforms. So these are the folders. Now if I go to the bin folder, there is a utility called DD-testlib. This is the utility which we are looking at. So in the ODBC installation directory inside PowerCenter, there is a bin folder under which the test utility exists, which will fetch me the version of the driver. And in the lib folder, the actual drivers exist. In the lib folder the drivers exist, and in the bin folder the test utility exists. So what I would do now is I would run the test utility on the driver from the lib folder. So how I run it is /bin/dd test lib. Because I'm in the lib folder and bin is just one folder above it, I would run bin/bin/dd test lib space. Let's say I want to find out the version of my SQL Server driver. So I'll give the driver name here, and when I say enter, if it says successful, then it means it loaded all the dependent libraries for this driver. And if you see here, this gives me the version. So 7 is the major version and 1.0.102 is the minor version, and there is a build and an update version as well. So if there is any problem with a specific driver, then you could give that driver name here and send that file version details to Informatica support, so we would know what is the exact version of DataDirect driver that you are using for running a particular workflow. So just to iterate again, the lib folder will have all the drivers. The lib folder under ODBC folder in PowerCenter installation will have all the drivers, and the bin folder under the ODBC installation will have the test utility called the DD-testlib. So the test utility has to be run on the actual driver file. SQLS.26.so is the driver file for SQL Server, to get the version of the driver that is being used for that particular driver. So in this video we have seen how to find out the exact version of DataDirect drivers that are shipped with PowerCenter on any non-Windows platform. We would love to hear from you. You could always write to us on supportvideos@informatica.com, or you could follow us on twitter.com/infosupport. Thank you.